The wybot robotic pool cleaner. Pool maintenance becomes a breeze. This innovative cleaning device boasts a range of impressive features, including dual drive motors, 3 timing functions, a 33 feet swivel floating cable, and a bottom brush. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, the wybot robotic pool cleaner, specifically the Grampus 400 model, is here to take care of your pool floor cleaning needs. One of the standout features of the wybot robotic pool cleaner is its powerful dual drive motors. These motors provide exceptional cleaning performance, allowing the cleaner to effortlessly move around the pool floor. With its strong traction, the cleaner can effectively navigate any obstacles, ensuring that every inch of the pool floor is thoroughly cleaned. Say goodbye to dirt, debris, leaves, and other unwanted particles that can accumulate on the pool floor. The wybot robotic pool cleaner also offers 3 timing functions, providing flexibility and convenience for your pool cleaning schedule. You can easily set the cleaner to run for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, depending on your pool's needs and the level of dirt and debris present. This feature allows you to customize the cleaning duration according to your preferences and maintain a consistently clean pool without any manual intervention. To ensure efficient and reliable cleaning, the wybot robotic pool cleaner comes with a 33 feet swivel floating cable. This long and flexible cable allows the cleaner to move freely throughout the pool, reaching every corner and crevice. The swivel feature prevents tangling and ensures that the cleaner can cover a large surface area without interruption. No more worries about tangled cables or limited coverage. Let the wybot robotic pool cleaner do the work for you. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.